Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. We're here on the KBO Breeze step-thru e-bike, and we're going to do a speed test. So the first speed test we're going to do is throttle only, and we'll see how fast we can get. If you guys like the content, please subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button. Also ring that notification bell for future notifications of our videos. I can also save you some money on any KBO e-bike on their website by clicking the affiliate link in the description below. Alright, so here we go. We're going to do a speed test, throttle only. We're going to come back, we're going to do it pedal assist. But here we go, a throttle only speed test. We're on pedal assist level 5, if that makes a difference. So here we go. So like we said in the other review, not the most torque in the world. It definitely takes a while to get up to speed, but you can't really expect much from a 750 watt motor. Alright, so we're at 23.5 miles per hour. I think that's what we're going to top out at. Slowing down a little bit, 22.9, 23, so we're on 23. 23 and a half was our top speed with throttle only. What we'll do is we'll turn around here and get top speed with pedal assist. Alright guys, so we saw the top speed with throttle only was about 23.5 miles per hour. So what we're going to do is we're going to do pedal assist only top speed test. We have it at the top level of pedal assist, and we also have it in the physical 5th gear. So we'll see how this does. Usually get a little better top speed with pedal assist with the extra torque from pedaling. So we'll see what happens. Here we go. Top speed, pedal assist, level 5 on the KBO Breeze step-thru. So yeah, definitely getting up to speed quicker, obviously, with pedal assist. Alright, so I think we saw just under 26 miles per hour. I think we got either 25.7 or 25.9. We didn't hit 26, I don't think. But still not bad. And like I said, you're gonna get more torque, better speed and stuff with pedal assist. But 25, around 25 is not bad for this bike. Especially if you're going to be commuting with it. It's going to give you some good top speed. Like I said, nothing mind-blowing, but it's not terrible. So right now, just casually pedaling. We're getting about 22 miles per hour. You know, like I said, not terrible. Not terrible at all. And let me, I'm going to put it in 7. Physical gear 7. On pedal assist level 5 and see if we can get it maybe up to 26. So here we go. Yeah. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think we're going to do it in 7. I think 5 is going to be our top gear. Oh, man. But, guys, if you have any questions about the KBO Breeze step-thru e-bike, let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer for you. And like I said, we answer every single comment, so nobody gets ignored on the channel. And until next time, guys, we appreciate your support. We appreciate you watching. Peace out.